you can't, you can't, right? Like if you're listening to this right now and you're like, well, Jerry, you know, I don't have earnest money to throw out there and I don't have all these things. I'm new. Well, okay, it's okay. Own it. Just know what you're up against. But if you want to be a player in the industry, don't go in there with all the loosey goosey stuff. Go in there and say, look, I'll put $5,000 in escrow right now. Are the other offers you're looking at, are they willing to do that? Well, if they're not, then maybe they're not real buyers, or maybe they're not real committed. I am. I'm committed to it. Now you have to be committed to it, right? Like if you don't feel good about the number, then don't go doing that, or you put your earnest money at jeopardy. But I'll talk to them. I'll say, look, contingencies are great to prevent me from committing to something that I don't really have all the answers to. But hey, we'll come out to the property, we'll walk it with you. And as long as everything is what you say it is, then I'll waive contingencies. That means if I default on the contract, you keep my $5,000. Doesn't that feel good to know that your buyer's super serious? If you don't go with me, great. If you go for a higher price, I get it. You should make as much money as you can. Like I tell them, take those other offers, just make sure that they're legit, because otherwise you'll be calling me back in 30 days when they fall through.